Baby elephants, also known as calves, are incredibly cute and endearing. They are born weighing around 200 pounds, 90 kilograms, and stand approximately 3 feet, 1 meter tall. Despite their size, they are still quite hefty at birth. Calves learn essential skills from the older members of their herd. They observe and mimic behaviors such as feeding, bathing, and social interactions. Older siblings, aunts, and other adult elephants play a crucial role in their education, guiding and teaching them about survival in the wild. Baby elephants are known for their playful and curious nature. They engage in various playful activities, such as chasing birds, wrestling with each other, splashing in water, and exploring their surroundings. Play is not just fun for them. It also helps them develop coordination, strength, and social skills. Elephants have one of the longest childhoods among mammals. Calves depend on their mothers for nourishment and protection for several years. They continue to nurse for about 2 years and stay close to their mothers for guidance and support until they reach adolescence.